The wetter the ball's going to get, and it's going to be harder for him to grip.
Yeah! McDermott might have played over the top of it. What a start from Mujib. One. Hey! Throw him! That's an enormous wicket. The number 2 T20 bowler in the world knocks over the number 1 T20 batsman in the world.
And they're on.
Catch. Ooh, that's a quicker one. He's going to get another one. Mujib the magician. 3 for. Yeah! Bowled him! Mujib's got 4. Can he get 5? The bowled him! Mujib's on a hat-trick. He's got 5. The bag of tricks are on display.
The ball's in our court now. We play smart cricket and hopefully get off to a nice start and just control the innings.
Linny, we'll let you congratulate the man and we'll quiet down as he walks off the ground.
No worries, thank you.